having 400 and something km/h performance, you can't go shopping in it, can you? Now, this is the delicate moment. 3 people making sure that it doesn't touch the ground in front. Lots of wooden planks being applied under the wheels. And here we go. The award is now going to be revealed. Now I'm going to call up on stage, if I may, Helmut Case. We're going to award this on the right-hand stage. Helmut Case, together with Willem Schmidt of Lange und Söhne. Am I getting Söhne right eventually? That was probably somebody crashing glasses before for my bad pronunciation. And Lorenzo Ramaciotti, the president of the jury. Gentlemen, over to you. We can have the second microphone on, please.
No, it's working. So, ladies and gentlemen, first, before we start this together with you, with all the people, and this was the reason why we bring it from the night in this time, and I think